Say cheese.
Say cheese. Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
You playing Grand Theft Auto? You playing a video game, you little criminal?
Okay.
You playing a video game?
Okay.
Okay. I was trying to catch you playing the video game, as I knew as soon as you saw the phone, you were going to try to take it.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck.
I have a new bike.
That's a new bike? Go get on the bike. Go get on the bike.
Triangle.
He's so good at this damn game.
Down water.
And he's naked from the bottom half.
Which water? There he is.
Go, 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 go.
Got bridges.
You're going under the bridges?
Got a bridge.
Going under the bridge. Going under another bridge.
What's the other bridges?
Say, I love video games.
I love building.
Yeah, you do. Say bye, camera.
So bye, Grandpa.
Okay, you're paying no attention. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. And you're in the water.